Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix can't change my ID or username on Rednote app. So at first, you have to open the Rednote app. Once the app gets open, you will get to its homepage. You have to click onto this me icon which is on the right bottom. Then you will get here. Now you have to click on profile option. After that, you will get into your profile. Now what you have to do is that you just have to simply click onto it, and after that you have to enter your username, or you can say the ID. But once you add it, you can see there's kind of a pop-up that comes on screen, and the username still remain the same as it was previous. The reason behind the username or the ID is not changing is because you have to verify your account, and you can only verify your account if you are a Chinese citizen. You can verify the Rednote account with your ID that is issued by the Chinese government, and only citizen of China can verify their account for now. Maybe in future they update their terms, and then anyone can verify their account from their country's respective IDs. So for now, we cannot change our username or the ID. Once they update their terms and condition, then we can change it. So the process will be saved. Then you have to click onto your profile. In the username, you just have to remove and add the new one as per your choice. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.